cabinets are a great application for pocket holes. And I don't know if you have one of these or not. You don't have to have them. You could glue and tack them, screw them, just like we did the rest of this cabinet. But in this case, since I'd be tacking on the upper side of this, for cosmetic reasons, I'm going to use my pocket hole drill, pocket hole jig. All right, so I'd like to get this so you can see it. This here, this piece will slide up and down according to the thickness of your material. Ours is 3/4. They don't have one on here for 11/16, but you don't have to be that particular. But on this side, this is the thickness of the material that you're going to drill the holes in. Then this thing will clamp it down, and you can extend this out quite a bit to make a nice tight clamp. And basically you want that when it's closed to be, well, let's just close it and get where we think we should be. Pretty sure that's how you do this. If all else fails, read the directions. Let's try that. So I'm going to be wanting a hole here on that side. They also mark the approximate location of the holes that you're going to be drilling. They've got one here, so you can use these holes. So to get this set up, I'm going to see if I got that approximately correct. Okay. Let's use that middle one. That could be a little tighter. And just screw that out. A little looser. There. All right, now that's set up. And here, you can see I've got that set for 3/4. This is 3/4. All right. I'm going to set that off of this because I think it'll be a little more firm. Yeah. All right, now I need to set my drill up. Okay, this bit here also comes with the jig, the Kreg pocket hole jig. This piece you can loosen with a hex wrench, and you can move it up and down. This handy dandy gauge right here will show you where to set it. I don't know how much you can see. I'm going to move things a little bit here. Got the sun shining in here and it's making it difficult. Anyway, there's settings right here. You're going to lay this, loosen this so it slides up and down. Lay it in here. And then you move your bit to the thickness of the material. And it will set that. And then you tighten that sleeve. All right, now I'm going to get a close-up of that so you can see what we're talking about. I've got a 3/4 inch mark at the tip of my drill bit. This shank is tightened. See how that sets in there? And that's going to go. We're going to drill right through here. And that should be set correctly. Also, Kreg makes this pocket hole screws. And when you're going through 3/4 inch material into 3/4 inch material, 1 1/4 screw is what you use. It also tells you whether it's fine threads. This says fine thread for use with hardwoods. Birch is a fairly hard wood. And it tells you on the back here, material thickness, 3/4. You need 1 1/4 screws. So, being as how I have only used this once, I'm going through great pains to get it right the first time. Probably should just take a scrap piece first and see if that will work, and I think that's an excellent idea. The jig comes with easy to read instructions. It says for fine thread, because of the smaller diameter and thread pitch, fine threaded screws reduce the chance of splitting the material. We recommend them for hardwoods. Using woods such as ash, oak, maple, walnut, hickory, cherry, mahogany, and birch. How about that? All right, I'm going to try that in a scrap piece of this same stuff and see what the idea. It's going to drill a hole through here that comes out in the middle of this material. So let's see, let's use a scrap piece first. So here's a piece of my scrap wood, and we're going to set it down in here. Clamp it down. And of course, we want to make sure that this sliding collar, I think that's what they call it, is tight. We want that moving on us. And then we're going to drill away. There we go. All right, obviously you don't want to start right on the wood, so just get your drill going. All right, so there's your pocket hole. See that? Now let's see if it came out the middle. Didn't come out at all, but maybe it's probably not supposed to, otherwise it's going to drill into your base. But I would say that that's going to work. Let's just find out. Get started. Also, it comes with that goes in the drill, fits your screw head. So let's see. So your screw goes in there like that, and we'll see if I'm going to do it this way because I don't want to get in the road. There we go.